voice because I don't talk. I'm in quarantine. I don't talk to people, so when I try to film a YouTube video, I can't talk. Coca-Cola always makes it better though. It does.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie, and if you're new here, I make makeup, beauty, and fashion videos on my channel, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my content. Today, we have an Amazon favorites video. I shop on Amazon a lot for just stuff that you wouldn't normally think to get in the store, and I think you guys are really gonna love some of the stuff that I have today. I have some organizational things, some beauty-related products, and travel-related products, so make sure you keep watching and give me a like if you like Amazon videos so I know to do more, maybe do part 2 and 3. So let's start with my first product. This is a sunglass holder, and it can store 8 different pairs of sunglasses. It has a nice clear top, which is nice so you can see exactly what is in there, and it has a little latch here that you can open it. And I really like this because I always had my sunglasses kind of getting scratched and stuff like that. This has all of your sunglasses in one spot, and it really keeps them nice and protected. And the brand I got this one from is COZ, and it's a leather sunglass display case. So this has black leather and then like a grayish cream inside color. So it stacks really well like in your drawers, which I'm going to show you a few more things that I stack on top of this, but I absolutely love this for the look of it and for storage purposes. My next item is this little jewelry tray. So this is a 24 grid, and it can hold 24 necklaces or whatever you please. It is also a nice light gray color, and it almost feels like velvet or like kind of like a soft carpet kind of thing. It's super nice, so you can put like your everyday necklaces in here. I actually store my Kendra Scott necklaces and stuff like that in here so that they are protected from getting tangled, and I can see them very, very easily to pick out my everyday jewelry. So I just stack these in a drawer, and I stack them on top of that sunglass holder that I showed you. I absolutely love this. This is $11.99, and it's from the brand Stylefying, and I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but super cheap and super convenient to store your jewelry in. Now this is from the same brand, it's the same concept, but it's for watches, and I have a lot of watches because I work at Michael Kors. This is a 12 grid, and it has a little pillow that you can put your watch on, which I think is so cute. It kind of reminds me of like the store, the way that stores would have them displayed. So this is great because the watches are going to be protected, they won't get scratched, they're easy to see, and it has 12 in here, so as long as you don't have a ton of watches, this is a great little organizational thing to have. And even if you did have more than 12, you could just get another one of these and layer it on top because they're not too thick or anything. I love this. I think it's the cutest little thing, and I highly recommend it if you guys have a lot of jewelry. You could even do bracelets on it. The next thing I have are some lashes, and my favorites are these Christina 43 lashes. I've shared these on my channel before. I like them because they kind of remind me of like a Demi Wispy, like an Ardell Demi Wispy, but they're a little bit longer and they're a little bit more dramatic, I would say, but still very comfortable to wear because it has that really thin band, which I like because I have very sensitive eyes. Today I have lashes on that have a thicker band, and they really are bothering my eyes more than something like this would. So this is great because it comes in a little box, and there are 12 pairs of these in these little individual boxes, so you can actually travel with these so easily because you can just take 1 or 2 of these from the box, and you get 12 pairs for $16.93, which I think is a steal because eyelashes can be very expensive. I find that getting eyelashes from Amazon is the best way to save money and get a bulk of them. So if you're wearing them all the time like me, like Amazon is your place because you can get them in packages of 10, 12, 15, and I love them. Another style I have is a little bit more natural than the Christinas. They really look just like the Ardell Demi Wispies. So these are the Alley Crown false eyelashes in the blue set. They have different colored packagings for the different styles that they have. And there are 10 pairs in here, and they're $9.29, so a very, very good deal. And if you like the Ardell Demi Wispies, these are almost identical and they are very comfortable and very easy to apply. So I highly recommend these and they're amazing, amazing price. The next product I have is this Melody Susie travel makeup case. I believe I have the extra large size. Guys, this is a game changer for traveling. If you guys like to carry a lot of makeup with you, or if you're very indecisive about what makeup to bring on trips, this is your girl, because that is me. I can never decide, and I want to bring like 5 palettes and 10 lipsticks and all that, which I really don't need. I'm very high maintenance when it comes to bringing makeup on trips because I never know what look I'm gonna wear. But anyways, this is amazing because it has so much storage. It has 3 sections, or 4 I guess you could say. This section I will keep like my palettes in. It's so nice because it keeps them flat and it keeps them from rocking around in there. And then this little section right here, you could put your skincare in, or really whatever. It just has like a little pocket here, and you can put stuff behind there too. It goes all the way through. And then this next section of it that you lift up has a section for brushes, which, oh my gosh, you can fit like 30 or 40 brushes in there. This is a lot of brush storage, and I literally took like 30 brushes when I used this. And also here is the bottom part where you can keep your main makeup, and it actually comes with like little foam inserts. You can make this however you want, but I just took them all out and decided to have it all open because I can fit the most in there without it being like divided, but you can do that if you please to. And this is an amazing, amazing makeup case. It has a nice sturdy strap that you can put on your shoulder, or you can just hook that on top of your suitcase. It has a cute little travel tag as well if you want to put your information on there. I highly recommend this. This is the brand Melody Susie. Again, it's in the extra large size. Actually, you know what? Mine might be large. I'm going to show exactly what I got right here, so it might be large. But anyways, it was about $25. Unfortunately, I did see that it was unavailable right now, but I don't think that means that it's going to be unavailable forever. And there's lots of train cases that are very similar to this that I will link or show you so that you have another option if this one isn't in stock when you're looking to purchase it. Alright, this is the last product, and it is a cute little decorative pillow. I have a room tour on my channel if you guys want to see like the room a little bit better, so I'll link that below for you guys. But this I put on my bed. It's so cute and fun. Actually, what happened was I was dog sitting for some people, and they had pillows that were kind of like this, like a little circular pillow with like little fuzzies all over it, and it really inspired me to look at pillows like this. This is just so fun and different. Like if you want something more unique for your bed or your couch, I really recommend like a little knot pillow.
This one was the miniative.
I don't know how to pronounce it. Anyways, it was a knot pillow in gray, and it was $23.99. It's 11 inches by 11 inches, and it's like a velvety, nice fabric. I've had it for like 2 years, and I love it. I think it's the cutest little thing ever. So I highly recommend these, and they come in lots of other colors as well.
Oh my gosh, I have one more product for you guys. I almost forgot.
So this little mirror was supposed to go with the, oh, hello. This little mirror I was supposed to show you with my traveling stuff, but it is a makeup mirror that you can travel with, and you just push this little button right here and it lights up. So if you're like me and you have a really hard time doing your makeup in hotel rooms because the lighting is pure crap, this is what you need, because you can take this on the airplane, you can take it in the hotel with you. It has a nice little stand that you can prop up so that you can do your makeup on the windowsill or whatever you want to do. And this is almost as good as having like a lit up makeup mirror. If you use that, then you will absolutely love this makeup mirror. And it was by the brand Sir Slimo. Like I said, I don't know how to pronounce these brands. This one is in the light pink color, but it comes in other colors as well. But it was $16.99, which is a great price. You can use the USB or you can use batteries for it, which I just use batteries. It takes 4 AAA batteries, and I love this. I highly recommend this for you guys if you're makeup lovers like I am. All right, so thank you so much for watching this Amazon favorites. Please let me know below if you got any ideas of anything from this video that you intend on purchasing, and leave me a comment of your Amazon favorites as well, because you never know, it might be something that I would love as well. Again, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any videos, and I'll see you in my next video.